Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Salman Al Hassan. Today I will talk about something. The only limit is your own mindset. If you believe in your ability, nothing is impossible. No one can stop you except your own belief and mindset. Limits are just challenges that can be overcome. Confidence and hard work help break limits. You create your own limits automatically. Going beyond limits means finding new opportunities. Breaking limits brings new skills and strength. Don't see fear as a limit, show courage. So remember, the only limit is you. So that's all, friends. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Thank you.